Umphathisa wezemali nophuhliso loqoqosho eGauteng uLebogang Maile umemelela ukubandakanywa kokunetsingiselelo nokusebenzayo kuqoqosho lwephondo esitsho esithi abemi kufuneka bazuze lukhulu ngaphaya kwamathuba emisebenzi. uMaile bethetha kwinkomfa yesibini yonyaka ngonyaka yotyalo-mali ephondweni ebibanjelwe kwikomkhulu lakwa-Johannesburg Stock Exchange eSandton namhlanje ekuseni. Ukanti ke nangona ephawula ukukhula koqoqosho oko kwaqala lenkomfa, uMaile yavuma ukuba ukonakala kweziseko kukokubambezela ukukhula koqoqosho.
Uqhamuke namasu ehlukile okusimamisa umnotho ononyaka ongqongqoshe wezezimali nokuthuthukiswa komnotho kusifundazwe eGauteng uLebogang Maile njengoba ekhuthaza umphakathi ukuthi ungene kuyo yonke iminxa yezomnotho ungagxili nje kuphela ekubeni izisebenzi kepha ekwawona uphenduke abaqashi.
We want people to participate in the economy in a meaningful way. That's what we want. And by being meaningful doesn't mean that you must be mechanical and say, I mean, you could have people of Ivory Park, of Tembisa, of Alexandra, of Diepsloot, and all that, benefiting from an investment that is in Midrand. For instance, the issue is, how are they benefiting? Are they only laborers or are they participating meaningfully in the economy? That's what we are worried about.
Ngenkathi ke phendula imibuzo kusithangami sabezindaba, uMaile uthi enye yezinselela ababhekene nawo beyisifundazwe yingqalasizinda esindala eyenza ukuthi abatshali izimali bengaheheki kalula.
Johannesburg is a very, very old city. The city of gold. Started in the 1800s. And the infrastructure that has been put here in Joburg and in many cities, whether it's water infrastructure, I mean electricity and all that, is old. So some of the problems is because of that infrastructure. And that's why most of the municipalities, when you look at the reports that they give, their water losses are huge. They are sitting at about 50%. Why are they huge? Because those pipes breaks every time and they must be patched and all that, and they lose a lot of water. So I'm not working in a municipality, but I'm just giving you a broader context of why this. So when you speak to the investors, you must be able to firstly explain the nature of the problem and then demonstrate that you will be able to solve the problem and demonstrate that you've got the commitment. There's already work that is being done by Minister of Water and Sanitation, Deputy Minister. In fact, they're here. They could not even attend the State of the Nation because the President says this matter is very important.
Lenkomfa ke yaminyaka yonke bengesibili nonyaka ngemuva kokusungulwa kwayo nyaka enye. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kubika umqondisi Miyeni ngeseGoli.